Hello everyone, this is my review of the LifeBase's electric spin scrubber. The rotating brush does most of the scrubbing for you, so you don't have to put in as much effort, especially on tough spots like grout, tile, or soap scum. What really stands out is the 11Ps attachment set. You get different brush heads for different surfaces, so whether you're cleaning the bathroom, kitchen, or even outdoor areas, there's a tool for it. It makes the whole system really versatile, rather than just a one-purpose cleaner. Another thing I like is that it's cordless and rechargeable. That gives you a lot more freedom to move around without being tied to an outlet, and it's lightweight enough that it doesn't feel tiring to use. The waterproof design is also a big plus. You can use it in wet areas like showers, tubs, and sinks without worrying about damaging it, making it perfect for deep cleaning bathrooms. Overall, this electric scrubber is a great time saver and takes a lot of the effort out of cleaning. If you want something that helps you clean faster, reach tough spots, and reduce scrubbing work, this one has worked really well for me. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.